Let us continue. Case 2. Right, case 2 is whereby you are thinking now, kamu sekarang berfikir bahawa your car B yang akan masuk couple tu. So I'm gonna go back to the couple lah. The couple ada 2 orang lah. Sekarang dia punya case tu patah semula, fresh start. Okay, you start fresh sekarang. Car A, car B and car C. Okay, so car A, car B and car C. Let me ask you one question. Car A tu berapa pilihan dia? How many choices for car A now? Is it still 2C2? Or do you think you can put 11C2? Which one do you think is okay? Do I put 2C2 or do I put 11C2? 2C2. Now listen carefully ya. Because we have already kita sekarang fokus kan, dia punya couple tu mesti masuk car B. Okay, couple tu mesti masuk car B. Jadi sekarang macam ni lah, I will do this, okay? I will do for car B first. So car B mesti ada 2 couple masuk dalam car B. 2 orang masuk dalam 2 tempat duduk dekat car B sana. Okay? So this is what you must know first. Tetapi dalam you punya car B tu ada 3 lagi tempat kosong kan? Betul tak? Ada 3 tempat kosong lagi kan? So means that dekat car A kamu akan pilih daripada 11 orang ni. 11 orang ni yang bukan daripada couple tu, bukan daripada kalangan couple tu, 11 orang tu dia akan masuk car A 2 orang. And then berapa lagi tinggal? Ada 9 orang lagi masuk car B 3 orang lagi. This one is the one that is a bit more challenging. What do you think? Are you okay? Yeah. Not really. Not really ya. Okay, kalau tak berapa, okay macam ni ya. Okay, you see ya. I am actually talking about when you have your both groups kan, kamu ada 2 kumpulan yang berbeza. So that's why this question is a bit more tougher. So ya ada 11 orang punya. Ini adalah stranger lah. Can I say, let's say if I say they are the strangers, and then the 2 people they are the couple, okay? So these are the couple lah. Okay, mereka adalah couple. So sekarang the first case is rather simple to understand, okay, because you have 2C2 sebab couple masuk dalam car A. Okay, couple masuk dalam car A. So this one couple masuk dalam car A. Couple tu mesti dalam car A. So maksudnya 2 orang daripada couple kamu, which is this one. Lepas tu C2. So itu adalah datang daripada couple 2C2 Lepas tu kan, kenapa ada 11 ni? Ini yang stranger ni. Dia datang daripada stranger. Stranger 11 orang. Lepas tu duduk 5 orang dalam car B. And then berapa lagi tinggal lepas 5 orang duduk dalam car B? Kamu tinggal 6 orang lagi. So duduk dalam car C 6 orang. So that is case 1. Do you fully understand case 1 now? Yes, no?
Yeah, for case 1 understand.
Case 1 understand. Okay, now let us look into case 2. Kita nak cerita sekali lagi dengan case 2. Listen very carefully. Okay, case 2 I want to ask, case 2. Siapa yang masuk dalam car A? Stranger ke couple? Stranger masuk dalam car A kan? Berapa pilihan stranger?
11.
Yes, that's why 11C2 kat car A. Faham ke tidak dekat car A tu 11C2? Tahu tak kenapa?
是，
喂，
可是那个卡 A 只有2个位哦。
对呀，只有2个位啊。
只要11呢？
11是11个选择吗？是一个选择做2个位吗？Okay, 11 tu, tahu tak kenapa? Okay, macam ni. Dan kenapa kamu boleh faham? Boleh 11 C5. 5 tempat kosong, 11 pilihan kan? This is the choices. Betul tak? Choices tu boleh jadi lebih besar daripada you punya tempat kosong. Setuju? So, 11C2. Do you understand why is it 11C2? Sebab kan, okay, one more time. This question here can take half an hour, okay? Alright, one more time. Let me ask you again, okay? Sekarang kan, sebab kita dah anggap you punya couple masuk dalam car B kan? Jadi, siapa masuk car A sekarang? Mesti the stranger kan? Setuju ke tidak? Setuju kan? Setuju kan? Okay. Then, dalam stranger tu, how many choices do you have for strangers? How many choices do you have for strangers? You have 11 choices kan? Ada 11 orang untuk dipilih daripada strangers. So therefore, in car A, I put C11 C2. Daniel, okay kah Daniel? You can get the idea? Kenapa 11 C2?
Yes.
You got it already? Okay.
For 11C2.
Yes, 11 C2 for car A. Everybody else, do you understand? Yang lain-lain tu macam mana? What about the rest? Faham? Faham? Okay. Alright, now, once you have done with your car A, then let us talk about car B pula. Car B kan, sekarang, couple tu masuk car B kan? Betul? So therefore, couple tu 2 orang, C2. You anggap car B tu sekarang ada 5 tempat duduk kan? Duduk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ada 5 tempat duduk. Okay, sekarang couple tadi 2 orang masuk 2 tempat duduk. So dia dah masuk sini dah. That's the couple. Couple dah masuk sana dah. Berapa lagi tempat duduk tinggal untuk car B? Berapa lagi tinggal untuk car B? Ada 3 lagi tempat duduk untuk car B kan? Now, do you think that kalau couple masuk dalam car B kan, dia akan jumpa stranger ke dalam car B tu? Think logically. Kalau dia duduk dalam car B, adakah dia akan jumpa stranger lain? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes kan? Dia akan jumpa stranger lain kan? Betul tak? Dia akan jumpa stranger lain. So means that daripada stranger tadi yang 11 C2 tadi kan? Yang C2 ni kan? Berapa lagi tinggal? Ada 9 lagi kan? You left 9 more kan? 9 C3. Ini yang dalam car B. Setuju kah? Setuju. What about the rest? Angeline, Sherlyn, dapat terima kah? Boleh. Dapat. Okay. Debbie? Okay, Debbie. Debbie, Bridget?
Boleh.
Boleh ya? Okay, good. Alright. Ini sangat tricky ya. Then the last one is 6C6. Sebab dah tinggal 6 orang lagi kan. So maksudnya kamu dah masuk 2 orang, kamu tengok ini cikgu buat ni. 2 orang dah masuk, 3 orang dah masuk. So jumlah dia dah masuk 7 orang kan? 7 orang. Tapi asalnya ada 13 orang tadi. So maksudnya ada 6 orang lagi tinggal, 6C6 dalam car C. So the last part is 6C6, okay? I can't see your screen and hear your voice dari tadi. The rest can see my screen kah? Or cannot?
See.
Can see.
You can hear me?
Yes.
Why Bridget cannot see and cannot hear? Macam mana ni? How? So anybody can help me to troubleshoot? Dia keluar dulu lepas tu masuk balik macam tu kah? Or macam mana? Yes, keluar dulu lepas tu masuk balik. You log out first and log in again. See macam ni lah because we are the first time also we are having it on Discord, alright? And maybe I'm not sure lah whether Bridget last time pernah tidak kan Discord ni. So if she is not comfortable, then we try and see lah next class macam mana lah. So the rest everything is loud and clear? Is it everything loud and clear? Yes, okay, right. So now, because I'm recording the screen as well lah, I'm recording my screen as well, okay? So nanti cikgu boleh share dengan kamu orang lah. Okay, now let us look at the last case here. Okay. The last case is that sekarang kamu akan tahu case number 3, which is your couple is masuk dalam couple masuk ke dalam car C. Okay, let me ask you. Car A and car B ada couple ke ataupun car A and car B mesti stranger saja? Car A and car B mesti stranger saja kan? Betul? Okay, tell me. Apa yang kamu nak letak ke depan A ni? What do you think? Okay, try. Everybody try. What do you put at the first part untuk car A? 11C2. Very good. 11C2. So, you akan letak 11C2. Everybody can understand? I tried already. Maybe it's my line. Ya kak. Okay. Okay, let me suggest like this lah, because it's not fair for Bridget sebab dia punya line tu tak kuat kan. So, do you mind if I switch it back to Google Meet, everybody?
It's okay.
Boleh ah? I
Okay.
switch to Google Meet because Bridget
Okay,
dah cuba
can,
2 kali tak dapat masuk kan? Okay, so you log out now. Okay, I mean later on I will give you a link and then you masuk Google Meet lah. Okay, right.
Okay.
Okay, so I think Bridget pun belum masuk lagi oh. Sekejap ah. Okay. Do we wait? Oh, macam mana? Uh, Daniel, you help me to chat dengan Bridget, boleh tak Daniel?
I already informed her just now.
Oh, okay. Oh, Bridget baru masuk. Sekejap, Oh, hi Bridget. Bridget, you can see my screen now, Bridget? You can see my screen, you can hear me now, Bridget? Okay lah. Kalau macam tu tak ada lah. Tak ada kita kena guna Google Meet ni. Okay, no, but anyway, okay, it's a good try lah, okay, because that's what I said to you lah. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe it's not gonna work, so we will see lah, huh? But it's a good thing lah actually. When I explore Discord, I feel that it is actually a very good tool lah. Actually, it's a very good tool, and we can have a lot of things together lah. Dalam satu channel saja kan, we can have a lot of things going on together. But anyway, if just seorang daripada kamu tak dapat pun, we will revert back to Google Meet lah, whereby everybody can learn. Okay, whereby everybody can learn lah. So maksudnya tadi kan, Bridget kan, for this question, since the beginning of time kamu tak dapat tadi, betul tak? Is that correct? So, apa yang cikgu tulis kat depan ni, I mean the ABC, you tak dapat semua tu lah. Okay? Alright, kalau tak dapat, tak apa. Cikgu akan, I will do it again, okay? So, for the rest of you, you bear with me, Kalau you tak dapat, kalau you dah dapat, it's good, you listen one more time, alright? So, over here kan, now, actually kan, for your information kan, Bridget, just now what I said was, kita ada 13 orang yang duduk dalam satu, yang 13 orang nak masuk dalam kereta ni kan. We have 13 people. Tetapi untuk soalan B kan, I'm just going to focus on question B now. Question says, how many ways can the married couple be seated in the same car? Okay, how many ways can the married couple be seated in the same car? So maksudnya kan, sekarang kan you tak boleh lagi anggap 13 orang tu sebagai 13 orang. You must actually divide this into two parts. Okay, you have 11 people and also 2 people. 11 people tu, cikgu bagi satu simbol strangers. Okay, yang tak ada yang bukan couple tadi ya. Yang couple tu yang dia special sikit. So that's why I put the 2 outside as a couple. Okay, so 2 tu adalah couple, 11 orang tu adalah stranger, orang lain-lain lah, okay? So now, for case A is that we are actually saying that the couple masuk dalam kereta A. Couple masuk dalam kereta A, So kalau couple masuk dalam kereta A, we are going to pick the couple. This couple here, this couple here, the number 2 here, coming from here. Datang daripada couple tu. So means that you have 2C2 dekat A, and then untuk yang car B and car C, dengar baik-baik Bridget car B and car C, they are all the strangers. Semua orang-orang yang lain tu, yang strangers kamu. So therefore, I have 11C5 dekat car B. Kenapa 11C5? Sebab 11 stranger akan duduk dekat car B tu, tetapi cuma ada 5 tempat kosong saja. So that's why it's 11C5. And you have car C is 6C6. 6C6. Okay? So is the first case okay, Bridget? Can you let me know if it's okay with you? So I can move on to case 2. Alright, good. Case 2, Bridget, you tell me because the rest of them, they got the idea already. So case 2, let me ask you. Kalau case 2, kita anggap sekarang couple masuk dalam car B kan? Jadi, bagi tahu cikgu, dalam car A tu, siapa yang dalam car A? Adakah couple kah ataupun stranger dekat car A tu? Couple or stranger? Couple? Okay, sekarang kan couple masuk car B. Tadi couple masuk car A sudah kan? Tadi couple dah masuk car A. Sekarang couple nak masuk car B. Sebab kita nak tahu berapa cara untuk you punya couple tu boleh dalam satu kereta yang sama. So maksudnya, kalaulah dia dalam car A, dua-dua orang dalam car A, okey lah sebab dia sama-sama kan. Tapi kalau dia masuk ke car B, maksudnya dia mesti dua-dua orang masuk dalam car B. Jadi sekarang, kalau dua-dua orang masuk dalam car B, siapa yang masuk car A? Couple ataupun yang stranger? Dapat terima kah? Dapat terima soalan cikgu? Maksud faham soalan cikgu? So, Bridget, yang masuk dalam car A sekarang adalah stranger. Stranger yang masuk dalam car A. Kamu okey kah, Bridget? Sebab couple tu masuk dalam car B. Dapat terima, Bridget? Okay, so maksudnya daripada stranger ni berapa pilihan? Ada 11 orang kan stranger kamu kan? So therefore 11 pilihan masuk 2 tempat kosong. Sebab car A tu sport car, dia cuma boleh masuk 2 orang saja. So 11C2 dekat car A. Bolehkah Bridget yang tu 11C2 sebab kita cerita pasal stranger. Pilihan stranger ada 11 orang. 11 orang C2 dalam car A. Lepas tu car B kan, dia mesti ada couple yang masuk dalam car B. So maksudnya dua couple C2. Okay, so sekarang kan, andai kata kamu ada satu kereta car B ni car B ada 5 tempat kosong, 1, 2, 3. Okay, couple sudah masuk 2 tempat ni. Couple dah masuk 2 tempat. Berapa lagi tempat kosong dalam car B? Car B masih ada 3 tempat kosong lagi kan? Tapi kan, adakah kamu setuju dengan Cikgu Bridget sama ada ke tidak dalam car B tu, couple tu dengan stranger tu duduk sekali? Maksudnya kan, couple 2 orang dalam car B, ada ke tidak stranger yang lain akan masuk dalam car B? What do you think, Bridget? Do you think yang stranger lain akan masuk dalam car B juga kah? What do you think? Yes or no? Do you think that the strangers will also be in the car B? Bersama-sama dengan couple tu. You think no. So maksudnya car B tu dia ada 5 tempat kosong tapi 2 orang je lah duduk. Tidaklah, it's not like that lah, okay? So maksudnya ke sekarang kan, macam mana cerita ni, okay? So you see car A kan, ini car A, this is car A, ada 2 tempat kosong ni, ada 2 tempat kosong car A. Lepas tu car B ada 5 tempat kosong. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Lepas tu car C ada 6 tempat kosong. 1, sekejap. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so over here. You see sekiranya kan, tadi kan stranger. I'm going to use stranger as in stranger. 2 orang masuk dekat car A kan? 2 orang masuk dekat car A. Lepas tu kan, car B tadi ada couple. Okay, 2 couple dah masuk Lepas tu, kamu tengok kalau dah masuk 2 stranger, daripada 11 stranger tadi kan? Daripada 11 stranger tadi, masuk 2 orang. Berapa lagi stranger tinggal lah? Berapa stranger lagi tinggal, Bridget? Kalau 11 orang masuk dalam car A tu, 2 orang, berapa lagi stranger tinggal? Berapa lagi stranger tinggal, Bridget? Stranger tinggal berapa orang? 9, very good. So maksudnya, kalau stranger semua masuk dalam car C, stranger. 6 orang je kan, betul tak? Jadi, mana nak letak 3 orang lagi? 3 orang mesti dia masuk dalam car B juga. Dia mesti turut serta dengan couple tu. Dia mesti duduk sekali-sekali dengan couple tu juga. Kalau tidak, tak muat lah 13 orang tu. Tak dapatlah masuk kereta tu kan. So, maksudnya, untuk car B, kamu ada satu lagi bahagian, iaitu 9C3. You have 9C3. Sebab kamu nak penuhkan kereta B ni. Sebab kereta B tu ada 5 tempat kosong. So, therefore, this is the car B. Ini untuk bahagian car B. Asal-asalnya dapatkah, Bridget? Okey ke tidak? That's why, lepas kamu masuk 2 orang kan dekat sini, jap. Lepas kamu masuk 2 orang dekat KA kamu kan, you punya stranger tu tinggal 9 orang. So that's why 9C3. That's why dekat belakang ni 9C3. What do you think, Bridget? Is that okay kah? 9C3 tu. Okay, now, what about the last one? The last one, sebab kamu dah masuk 3 orang stranger kamu dalam you punya car B kan. So the last thing is, car C, 6C6 saja. 6C6. So, itu untuk car C kamu. Okay, so now, this one is done for your case 2. Alright, case 2 bila dia masuk dalam car B ya. Okay, let us focus now on case 3. Kita nak fokus dekat case 3 pula. Anybody can tell me apa cikgu nak letak dekat car A? So, again, back to the question kan, Sekarang kita dah tahu dah case A dah selesai, case B dah selesai. So case yang nombor 3 iaitu you punya couple akan masuk dalam car C. So setuju tidak kita kata you punya car A and car B cuma boleh masuk stranger saja dekat car A and car B. So therefore, what do you put in car A? Apa you akan buat? 11C2 kah? Do you put 11C2, yes or no? Yes lah kan, betul lah ha. Okay, semua setuju lah kan. Sebab kita nak masuk stranger ni, sebelah C2 ni. Okay, sebelah C2 masuk stranger. Okay, lepas tu Kabi nak buat apa sekarang? Stranger lagi tinggal kan? Berapa lagi stranger tinggal? Tell me, how many more stranger left to put in Kabi? Very good, Amber. 9. 9C what? 9C berapa tu? 9C berapa? 9C5. Very good, Mina. Good job 9C5. Next. Sekarang stranger dah selesai. Okay, tapi belum selesai habislah. What else for car C? Okay, now over here. Car C, 2C2 and 4C4. Very good. Oh, very good lah you guys. Okay, so maksudnya you faham lah kan? Sebab ini adalah bilangan untuk kasi kamu, bilangan tempat kosong untuk kasi kamu. So therefore, this whole thing, ini satu bundle ni adalah untuk kasi. Yang ini, satu bundle ni adalah untuk car B. Okay? So can I ask everybody, can you understand? Boleh terima ke tidak? Everyone can understand? Okay. Alright.
Yes, understand.
Understand Okay, good. Kalau macam tu kan, jadi apa yang nak buat lagi lepas ni? Kira lah. So kira saja. Yang atas ni case 1 tambah case 2 and then tambah case 3. Okay.
12012.
12012. Very good. So that is your answer. Okay, 12012. So itulah you punya jawapan. Case 1 tambah case 2 tambah case 3. Sebab ada 3 case yang berbeza. Okay. Alright. So I think everybody, hopefully you can get the right answer. Okay, hopefully you can get the right answer. Okay, harap-harap semua okay Then after that, guys, we are going to go into your summative practice. But then before that, I told you just now in the early of the why plus and not multiply. Okay, why plus and not multiply. Very good question, Very good question. Why plus and not multiply? Sebab normally kan, kalau kamu nampak soalan B macam ni kan, can I say that this couple is going into car A or car B or car C. Okay, so nampak tak cara cikgu cakap? Dia mungkin maybe going in maybe enter A or B or C. Okay So kalau kamu punya konsep tu adalah you ada different cases that is individually different Okay, kalau masuk car A, different case dia. Kalau masuk car B, different case dia. Kalau masuk car C, different case dia. So kalau dia or means that there are different case. Means that you have addition. You tambahkan. Sebab different cases, you tambahkan. Okay? But then, kalau kamu punya konsep is and then you darab. Okay? And you darab. Tetapi kan, you fikir logik lah. Mana dia boleh masuk dalam car A, pada masa yang sama, dia masuk car B, pada masa yang sama, dia masuk car C. Dia tak boleh macam tu. So, bila dia tak boleh macam tu, then dia akan jadi tambah saja. So, that's why we use the word or in between. Okay? So, that's why you have plus. Because they are of different cases. Dia tak boleh jadi tiga case, mesti ada couple dua orang tu. So, logically speaking, it is not going to happen. Okay, Mina? Do I answer your question? Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Okay, now let's say if when do you see multiply lah kan? Maybe you kata, cikgu, then multiply tu bila masa kan? Betul tak? Okay, contohnya let me say Daniel. Daniel has 2 t-shirts and 3 pants. Example lah kan? So, how many ways he can wear this? How many ways he can wear his t-shirt and pants? Contohnya kan? Nampak tak? Dia akan pakai t-shirt, sekejap T-shirt pun tak boleh spell dah. Aduh. Ni sindrom PKP ni. T-shirt and pants. Takkan dia pilih satu kan, betul tak? Takkanlah takkanlah dia cakap I want to wear t-shirt or pants kan. Contoh lah, takkan dia fikir macam tu. Dia takkanlah guna or pula kan. Mesti dia guna and. Faham tak? Okay, mesti dia guna and. So t-shirt and pants. How many t-shirts do you have? You have 2 t-shirts. How many pants do you have? You have 3 pants. So therefore, you have 6 ways to wear the clothes. So macam tu lah dia punya case dia. Dapat faham kah?
Faham.
Faham lah So maksudnya Sometimes you will have to think logically whether it's or ataupun and dalam you punya scenario, okay? So dalam scenario tu kalau ada and, then you multiply. Kalau dalam scenario tu kamu or, then you plus. Or you can say that you can actually just jot this down in mind. Kalau soalan guna and, then you multiply. Kalau soalan guna or, you tambah. Tapi kadang-kadang kan, you have to actually read the question and understand it on your own, whether it's and or whether it's or. Alright, so itu adalah dia punya case dia lah. Okay, so this one is something that we have done. Habis sudah. I want to talk about the round table problem and also the necklace problem. Okay, and let me ask you lah, are you guys okay with the round table problem and the necklace problem? How many of you are okay? Can you type 1 for me? Siapa yang okay dengan round table problem and necklace problem? Can you type 1? Good, Nina. Good. Alright, Bridget, okay, good. Okay, Daniel, okay. Alright, now, let me ask you one question then. Kalau okay kan, because the thing is that, dalam buku ini kan, in your book here, that's why I did not mention that one because I missed out that one. Sebab dalam buku ini kan, tak ada soalan yang berkenaan dengan circular punya arrangement. Tak ada soalan yang berkenaan dengan circular arrangement. So let me just show you a few example. Let's say, okay, see whether everybody can solve this or not. Okay. Now let's say if I have a round table, kalau cikgu dah satu round table, okay, and then on my table I have six empty seats. Okay, cikgu dah 6 empty seats. Yeah, I have 6 empty seats. Okay, so now I have 6 people. I have 6 people as my choice. As my choices lah. Cikgu ada 6 orang. 6 choices. Okay, tell me, what are you going to do if I ask you to calculate how many arrangement? How many different types of arrangement that these 6 people can sit on the round table? Anyone can do it for me and tell me the answer now. What do you get? If you got the answer, 100 and 120, 120, n minus 1 factorial. Okay, good. Right. This is something that I need to, I need to re-elaborate. Okay, I need to re-elaborate because sebab apa? You can use this idea, n minus 1 factorial, sebenarnya boleh. Tetapi bila ada something like, if I change a bit. Kalau juga ada 8 orang. You have 8 people, tapi sekarang nak duduk 6 tempat kosong. Anyone want to try? You have 8 people, and then you want to sit in 6 empty space. Tapi dia mesti round table. Yang ikut kelas cikgu SMK Riam tu sepatutnya dah tahu dah ni, because I have already given you an example like this. Bridget, Angeline, Shalene. Remember the formula? Okay, now you see, listen carefully. 5,040. 5,040 not correct. Not correct. 5,040 not correct. Because I think you use 7 factorial kan? You use 7 factorial. Angeline, good job. Good job, Angeline. Good job. Okay, good job. Need divide 1, Yeah. Good. Okay, now, listen, this is where the problem comes. When you use the idea of n minus 1 factorial. No doubt, that is correct. Okay? This idea is correct. Ini idea yang betul. This idea is correct. Okay? But then I need to tell you that it may not be helpful if you have cases like this. Di mana 8 orang, tapi dia nak duduk 6 tempat kosong. This is not helpful enough, right? This formula is not helpful enough. This formula can only help you if you have 6 people seated on 6 empty chairs. Ataupun 8 orang duduk dalam 8 kerusi. Itu boleh guna n minus 1 factorial. Okay? Listen carefully. N minus 1 factorial, I am going to tell you that if you let's say you want to get rid of this formula, is okay actually, I have another formula for you. Okay, satu lagi formula adalah macam ni. I will teach you to use this idea. N factorial over n. Okay, now you see, let's say, I'm going to use the same thing over here. 6 people, 6 choices, masuk 6 tempat kosong. So this n factorial you are going to write as 6 factorial over 6. You're going to put like that, okay? 6 factorial over 6. So supposedly your answer is 120 as well. You akan gunakan idea ni, n factorial divide by n, okay? Now, listen carefully. N factorial divide by n, supposedly it means that my screen is blurry. Oh, really kah? What about the rest? The rest, screen blurry kah? The rest okay? Okay
Okay.
Okay alright, tak apalah. I think Sherlyn later on, maybe dia akan okay balik tu dia akan okay balik lah Sherlyn Okay, but no worries, I have already recorded my screen. Later you boleh tengok balik Okay, n factorial over n. This n factorial means what? This n factorial means is npn. I want to introduce this part. Cikgu nak introduce this part, okay? I want to introduce that part. npn. npn divide by n. And then this n here is the same as this n here, okay? So that is the idea now, right? Listen very carefully. Okay, jadi kita akan cuba satu lagi cara, iaitu I am going to say that 6p6 divide by 6. And over here, this one must be the same as the one down here. Okay? Alright? So therefore you have 6p6 and then divide by 6. Do me a favor, 6p6 and then you divide by 6. Do you get 120? I am sure you're going to get the same thing. You akan dapat benda yang sama saja. Okay? You can try it out now. You should get the same thing. Alright, now over here. When you have this kind of formula, then you boleh jawab dah soalan cikgu. Kalaulah cikgu tukar jadi 8 orang. Kalau tukar jadi 8 orang, dengar baik-baik. Kalau tukar jadi 8 orang, dengar baik-baik. So over here, kalau 8 orang, let's say if my question, okay, I change a bit lah. I change this one. Wait I do another one for you, okay? Supaya kamu tak keliru. Nanti kalau you nak salin pun, you tak keliru. So over here, let's say I have 8 people. Okay, my choices, I have 8 choices. Tapi masih ada lagi 6 tempat kosong saja. I only have 6 empty seats. So my formula over here is 8p6 divide by 6. 8p6 divide by 6. That is my formula now, alright? So now if you just calculate this one correctly, 8p6, and then divide by 6, your answer should be 3360. Okay? Alright? Boleh Mina, dapat terima? Okay Right. Then, do you have any question to ask? Why you need to divide by 6? Why do you need to divide by, kenapa kena darab, kenapa kena bahagi dengan n tu? Do you have the question kah? Ataupun you terima je lah formula tu? Tak apalah, saya terima je lah, sir. Okay, alright. So, let's say, kenapa kita mesti kenapa kita mesti bahagi dengan 4 kan? Okay, you see kenapa mesti bahagi dengan 6? Okay, now you see Supposedly kan, if I give you a straight line, okay, those yang cikgu ajar dekat sekolah, SMK Riam, I'm not sure whether you got it or not lah in school, okay? Tapi I'm gonna talk about it again, alright? Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna use 4 only lah. Cikgu nak 4 saja. Supaya senang cikgu nak explain dengan kamu. Okay, let's say I have 4 empty spaces yang dekat satu garisan lurus. Okay, I have one garisan lurus. Okay, so sekarang I have my choices are A, B, C, and D. Okay, just explaining to you. So I have 4 orang. Cikgu ada 4 orang nak duduk dekat 4 kerusi yang dekat satu garisan lurus. Okay, make sure that you understand now. You can imagine that it's on a straight line. Alright. So I have A, B, C, and D. I can do like that. Alright. Sekiranya cikgu tukar sedikit dia punya arrangement A, B, C, and D. Let me ask you, is this different? Adakah ini berbeza? Are they of a different arrangement? Adakah arrangement mereka berbeza? Are they different? Yes or no? What do you think? Yes, they are different. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I say A, B, C, D, are they different? And one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. Are they different? They are all different.
Yes.
Do you agree? Yes, very good. They are all different. Okay. Now, but then kan, this arrangement, if we put it on a table, a round table, okay, if I put it on a round table, you see, if I put it on a round table, I have 4 arrangement here. If I say A, B, C, D, and if I draw another round table, ayo, besar sangat table ni, I want you to see and do some comparison. Okay, let's say I have 4 table here lah, kecil dah. Table 1, table 2, Sekejap. Jauh sikit. SOP ya. Jauh sikit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you see ya. If I put A, B, C, D here, if I put A, B, C, D here, if I put A, B, C, D here, or if I put A, B, C, D, do you think they are different? Adakah mereka different? No kan? The arrangement is totally the same, right? Sebab dia bentuk bulat. Sebab dia bentuk bulat kan, dia macam perspektif macam ni. If you are here, kalau kamu berdiri kat sini kan, if you are at C, contohnya macam ni. Kalau kamu tu C lah. Okay, Cristiano tu, okay? Dia nampak amber dekat sini. Contoh lah kan. Cristiano nampak amber. Kalau Cristiano tukar tempat duduk sini, dia nampak amber juga depan tu. Kan? Okay? Lepas tu kalau Cristiano duduk sini, nampak amber juga depan dia. Kalau Cristiano duduk sini, nampak amber juga depan dia. So it means that there is no difference walaupun kita tukar dia punya arrangement dekat bulatan. Okay, in your round shape, there is no difference because there are 4 different cara you nak pusing-pusing ada 4 cara. Itulah sebabnya you kena bahagi 4 in this case. So that's why in this particular question you have linear. Kalau ada linear kan, this one is 4 factorial. Ini 4 factorial. And that's it, 4 factorial because memang semua susunan ni berbeza. That's why you can say that it's 4 factorial. But then kan, if we have, this is your round shape, okay? Even though you have 4 factorial, I have 4 different, dia nampak macam different, tapi sebenarnya dia sama punya arrangement. So therefore, I have to divide by 4. Ada 4 yang sama. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ada 4 jenis yang sama. So that's why ada 4 jenis arrangement yang, how to say, that is less. 4 jenis arrangement yang kurang berbanding dengan linear punya bahagian, okay? Linear arrangement and the circular arrangement. So maksudnya circular arrangement you must divide by 4. Kalau ada 4 bahagian lah, cuba kamu tengok sini kan. If I just divide this into 4 parts kan. So yeah, you ada 1, 2, 3, 4. Orang-orang tu boleh duduk dekat mana-mana pun. So that's why I mean A can sit here, B can sit here, C can sit here, D can sit here kan. So maksudnya bila dia boleh tukar tempat duduk dia, walaupun dia tukar tetapi dia punya arrangement masih dikategorikan sebagai arrangement yang sama. So you can say that they are actually the same. When they're actually the same, how many different ways that A can move? A can move 4 different ways kan. 4 tempat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dia boleh pusing 4 tempat. Tapi masih lagi dapat benda yang sama. So that's why we divide by 4. Setuju tidak? Boleh tidak? Boleh terima? Okay. So means that this one is the number of seats actually. Okay. The number of seats. Okay. Dia ada, kalau 4 seats, maksudnya dia boleh tukar 4 kali lah. Kalau ada 8 seat, dia boleh tukar 8 kali. Kalau dia 10 seat, dia boleh tukar 10 kali. So that's why we divide by 4. Kalau ada 10 seats, divide by 10. Kalau ada 6 seats, divide by 6. Is everybody okay? Amber, 可以接受吗？
可以。
可以哈。Cristiano, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Alright. Now the rest, what about Daniel? Are you good?
Okay.
Okay, I can follow. Bridget, okay? Angeline and Shalene?
Okay.
Okay, alright. So now this is something that is very fun actually, But just because it's not in the book lah, that's why I said lah, your syllabus is actually, how to say, you guys ni, you want to consider you guys as a guinea pig kan? Boleh juga sebenarnya, sebab memang kamu orang ni macam bahan uji kaji sebenarnya. You guys are the first batch that has the newest format. Soalan, oh sorry Shirley, in the screen, my goodness kan. Tak apa, you wait for a while lah, hopefully everything will be fine lah, okay. That's one problem also. Tapi tak apa lah, Shirley cikgu dah record screen ni, and nanti cikgu akan share dengan kamu, okay. Screen cikgu agak okay lah, dah nampak dengan jelas, okay. Alright, so sorry Shirley about that. Okay, so now this one is done. Okay, let us talk about necklace problem. Necklace. Necklace, okay. Necklace. Necklace bentuk Bulat kan, betul tak? Necklace bentuk bulat ah. Ada siapa punya necklace sekarang bentuk segitiga? Triangular shape lah you punya necklace. Ada? Tak ada kan? Tak ada. Ada. Triangular shape ke bentuk model punya lah. Okay, so I mean that when we talk about necklace now we are talking about how to say we are talking about the normal one lah, normal punya kan. Okay, you punya bracelet, necklace ke bracelet lah kan. Benda-benda yang bulat lah kat sini kan. Tali pinggang lah kan. Sometimes use tali pinggang kan bulat lah. Tak ada orang tali pinggang segitiga, betul tak? So over here, when we talk about something that is logically speaking is round, okay? So you have this particular idea sebenarnya. Okay, you ada idea ni. N factorial over N. Okay, now, over here. Tetapi kan, beza necklace ni dengan round table, necklace ni dia boleh terbalik. Apa maksud dia boleh terbalik? So you see, supposedly the formula to necklace, right? Let's say, if you have 8 bits, 8 bits, tahu bits kan? Manek. 8 manek ni, okay, 8 manek. Jangan 8 manek lah. Senang cikgu nak explain, cikgu guna 4 manek je, okay? 4 manek lah, 4 bits. 4 bits. Okay, buat necklace kamu 4 bits walaupun dia tidak logik lah, tapi kamu anggaplah dia 4 bits. So over here you have black color, you have blue color, you have green, and you have red. Okay, this is an example. Okay, just an example. Okay, let's see if I do this one. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Okay, you see I am going to try and discuss with you, alright? Cikgu nak discuss dengan kamu. Ada sebenarnya kan, ada 8, janganlah cikgu cakap 8 kan. 8 yang sama sebenarnya, 8 arrangement yang sama. Okay, cuba tengok. How are the circles perfect? iPad has a very good dia punya ni lah, dia punya notes okay. So actually kalau cikgu buat macam ni saja, dia akan jadi circle lah, okay. Kalau cikgu buat triangle, it's gonna be a perfect triangle also, you see perfect triangle. Oh, see that? Nampak tak? Perfect triangle. If I want to draw a rectangle, you see that? Okay, no lah, I'm just kidding lah, okay. Okay, so that's the iPad punya magic lah. So over here, what happened now is that I am going to draw my 4 bits on the necklace. So I start with black. Okay, black, black, black. Okay, then I start with green, 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 green. Okay, and then I start with blue, 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 and blue. And last one is red, 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 red. Let me ask you, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they the same? Are they the same? What do you think? Yes. You don't think so? You don't think so they're the same? Okay. Try imagine this. Kamu cuba angkat necklace kamu kan? Kamu angkat bahagian ni. Angkat bahagian yang hitam dengan hijau tu. Lepas tu angkat bahagian ni. Angkat bahagian ni. Even though it looks like it is a different arrangement kan? Cuba kalau kamu angkat bahagian tu saja, adakah sama arrangement dia? Is it the same? Same kan? Even though you nampak dia macam dia tak sama kan, tapi if we were to just take it out and jadikan dia satu necklace, basically they are all the same. Benda tu sama saja, okay? Tapi of course as I said to you, the necklace is this one is not logic lah sebab dia ada 4 bits kan. Cuba imagine kalau necklace tu penuh kan, you angkat mana-mana pun sama saja. How are you going to pick up your necklace? Dia punya arrangement tu sama. Walaupun kalau kamu letak dekat meja tu tak sama kan, bila kamu angkat dia akan jadi sama juga. Okay? Faham tak Mina? Boleh terima? Boleh Okay, now. Let me ask you one more question. Necklace ni, kalau cikgu terbalikkan dia. Okay, siapa yang pakai necklace sekarang kamu tahulah. Boleh ke tidak kamu terbalik-terbalikkan necklace kamu? Boleh kan? Takkanlah kamu, kalau kamu keluarkan lepas tu kamu kena buat satu tanda. Oh, mesti masuk balik macam tu juga. Tidak kan? Necklace tu dia boleh flip depan, boleh flip belakang kan? Cuba anggap benda ni, dia flip depan, flip belakang. Okay, dia flip depan, flip belakang. It is actually the same arrangement. Okay, let's say if I flip like this, dia akan jadi macam ni. This one is like this. Black on top, blue below. You tengok. Sini kan, ini kan. Ada tak mana-mana sama dengan 4 ni? Tak ada kan? Tak ada kan? Tak ada yang sama. Tetapi sebenarnya, dia sama dengan ini. Cuma dia di flip saja. It's just flip. When you flip, supposedly this is still the first arrangement. Dia masih arrangement yang first tu. You dapat terima tak maksud cikgu? Dapat faham tak? Okey ke tidak? Tak okey. Okey, satu lagi ya. Cuba tengok sini ya. Kalau cikgu flip yang bahagian kedua ni ya. If I flip this one, what happen? The red is on top, the green is below, the black is over here, the blue is over here. You see ya? When you flip kan, supposedly dia datang daripada arrangement yang number 2. Dia adalah datang daripada arrangement number 2. Cuma kamu flip kan dia punya necklace depan belakang saja. Can you understand me? Yes? So, supposedly, apa maksud cikgu kan? Wait I am going to on that one for a while. I actually share this one with my students lah. Cap. Ish. Cap. Kejap. I want to show you the necklace. Wait, what happened here? Okay, I want to show you a necklace, but then you nanti ya. Shalin, you can still see me kah, or you cannot see me, Shalin? You boleh tengok cikgu. Actually, this one is what I have already done with you kan. I have already done with you those yang from SMK Riam lah kan. Okay, you tengok So let's say this is a necklace, right? So kamu cuba bayangkan lah, ini adalah warna dia. Okay, ni warna dia kan. So something like that kan. Kalau cikgu flip macam ni kan. Let's say if I flip like that, should it be the same kah? Okay, imagine kan. This is a different color lah. Sebab bila kita cerita pasal necklace kan, it is actually over here I have this necklace kan. All these necklace are actually from the same pattern lah. Dia datang daripada pattern yang sama. Cuma kalau lah kita anggap dia datang daripada pattern yang berbeza, okay. If we flip kan, even though you nampak dia punya pattern tu tak sama, sebenarnya dia datang daripada arrangement yang sama saja. Okay, so that's why kan later on kan when you calculate your arrangement, you kena divide by 2. Kamu kena bahagi dengan 2 arrangement kamu. The number of arrangement you have to divide by 2. Sebab depan belakang actually comes from the same arrangement. So that's why you have to divide by 2 at the end of the day. Okay, so I am going to tell you the formula for your necklace. Sebab necklace memang akan berbeza sedikit. Okay, necklace will be a bit of difference with a round table. Okay. Round table, formula kamu senang saja, which is n factorial over n factorial. N factorial over n. Yes, because we have to flip kan, because we can flip, then we have to divide by 2. Cuba imagine round table tu, boleh flip ke round table tu? Semua orang duduk sini, lepas tu flip. That's why round table tak boleh divide by 2. Kalau round table boleh divide by 2, means that the round table can flip lah. Okay, you boleh flip. Sama aja. Kalau flip pun sama. So, cannot lah kan. So, that's the idea behind it, right? So, kalau necklace boleh flip, macam bracelet sama juga. So, therefore, untuk necklace kan, dia punya formula akan jadi macam ni. N factorial over n, and then divide by 2. This is the formula. Because of the flip. Sebab dia boleh flip ni. Because necklace can flip. Contoh lah, okay. The presentation is blank. What do you mean? Presentation is blank? Artinya, kamu tak nampak kah? I can't see anything. Anyone else cannot see anything? Aside from Mina? You can see.
Can see.
Can see. Maybe Mina, you try to... You can see now, Mina? Cannot. Still cannot. No kah? Ayu, sedihnya. Since when you cannot see this now? You leave first and then you join back. You leave first and then you join back. Oh, ya kah? When you came back to okay, macam ni. I stopped sharing my screen for a while and then I share it back. Tengok nampak tidak? Okay. Apa yang hari ni kan? Okay, now you see. Boleh nampak sudah, Ina? Okay, can see now. You can see now. Nampak sudah? Crystal clear. Okay, alright, good. So it means that if we are talking about necklace problem, you have n factorial over n, and then you still need to divide by 2. Sebab kenapa you kena divide by 2? Because the necklace flip. The necklace can flip. So that's why you have to divide by 2 in that case, alright? One more thing, okay, katakan now this is the problem when you have 4 bits masuk 4 tempat kosong. You have 4 tempat kosong. That's how the problem goes, okay? 4 bits masuk 4 tempat kosong. Let me just ask you one more question, okay? One of the last question. Let's say you have a necklace. Dia boleh masuk 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then, you have 8 bits. You wanna try? 8 bits nak masuk 6. 8 bits nak masuk 6. Macam mana nak masuk 6 tu? Adakah dia macam round table tadi? 8 nak duduk 6 orang? Lebih kurang sama saja. Tapi, case tu, you kena bahagi dengan 2. Sebab ini adalah necklace. SMK Riam, cikgu ada hantar screenshot dengan kamu orang kah? Did I send you the screenshot for this part? Ada cikgu hantar screenshot? Bridget, ada cikgu hantar screenshot kah? Ada. Okay. So kalau ada, later on cikgu boleh share dengan kamu orang lah. Because in that screenshot, I have already simplified all this. Okay. Cikgu dah buat simplification. Ada dia punya formula dia untuk apa jenis case tadi kan. Ada 4 jenis case. So I have already make a very short and simple summary lah for the SMK Riam punya student. I can share to your group later on. Okay. Sebab cikgu punya iPad hari tu, dia how to say lost all the notes bah. Cikgu lost all the notes kan. So that's why yalah. Salah cikgu juga lah. I log out from the iPad. So that's why dia okay. So Mina 1680 kan. Let me check 8. What is the formula that you use, Mina? 8 P 6. Lepas tu divide by 6. Lepas tu divide by 2. Is that correct? Is that what you do? Yes, very good. So let me just check. Last one, divide by 2. Very good. Your answer is 1680. Everybody can follow this part? Semua orang dapat ikut ni?
Yes, can.
Yes. Good job everyone. All right. So yeah, this is the only thing that I missed out. I missed out. Okay, I missed out from your chapter, which is permutation. And because in your book tak ada contoh macam ni, so that's why lah cikgu termiss, and I'm so sorry about that. And if you can understand this part, is a very good thing, because I am sure there will questions be asked lah berkenaan dengan yang circular permutation. Okay, circular permutation. Alright. So if this is done, I think let us look into the summative exercises. Kamu tengok page 119. Cuba tengok page 119. Summative exercises, there are only a few questions, right? Today, I don't think we are going to go into a new topic lah. Cikgu tak akan masuk topik yang baru hari ni sebab left about 45 minutes. So kita akan cuba tengok dulu yang summative exercises and try out all the questions, right? So I'm going to give you until 8:40. kita akan cuba discuss as much as possible. Okay, so can we do that? So far so good. Ada problem dengan topik ni? So far so good. What do you think? Do you like this topic?
Okay.
Okay, good. Right, because one thing that I can tell you for sure lah, if you like this topic kan, you are the type that is creative. As I told my students in SMK Riam kan, you are the type that is creative. Kalau kamu suka topik ni, and the next upcoming topic which are all about macam ni kan, benda-benda yang berkenaan dengan logic thinking, okay, you are the type that are creative, right? If you don't like this topic, but then you like topics like differentiation, you like topics like integration, you like topics like logarithm, apa lagi, solution of triangle, you are the type of people that are having a critical thinking, okay? So you are more to right brain. If you like this topic, you are more to the left brain, right? If you like both, then both brains are good lah. Okay, but then yeah lah, some people they like this topic and dislike the others. Some people like the other topic and don't like this topic. Okay, I personally don't like this topic last time lah when I was your age. Okay, bila cikgu jadi student, cikgu sangat-sangat benci topik ni because I am not creative. Cikgu jenis tak boleh fikir logik ni, cikgu jenis skema lah. Cikgu jenis skema actually, yes. Okay, so I don't want to kacau you anymore. So you try out first, okay, until 8:40. Cuba sedaya upaya untuk jawab semua soalan, summative exercises. Okay, I'll come back to you. I'll go for my drink for a while, okay? So everybody, you can try out on your own first. If you like trigonometric function, if you like trigonometric function, you are critical. You are those who are critical thinking. Yes. Those are not creative lah. Okay. I like trigonometric function. Cristiano, for your information, I love that topic so much. I love that topic so much. Seriously. But then that topic is I only like that topic. Oh, the graph is pain in the ass. Are you sure? The graph is the easy part. I am going to teach you. This is not that bad, okay? That is not that bad. I'm going to teach you. It's quite simple to understand, the graph. Do you know the graph is actually related to the quadrant? The graph is related to the quadrant. Do you know that? Okay, let me just show you one lah, okay? Just for your information. For the rest, you try out first because the rest belum masuk lagi trigonometric function kan. Let me just do this for Cristiano, okay? So, let me give you one example. Y equals to, let's say, 2 sine 2x. Are you talking about this kind of graph? Yes, Cristiano?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
With cos and tan also.
With cos and tan. You mean campur kah?
Yeah, sometimes the teacher campur je.
Campur means that you have sine x and then cos x. Oh,
Yeah.
I get what you mean already. Okay. Okay. Now, let's say this one, y equals to 2 sin x cos x lah. Let's say lah, you nak buat graph ni kan. Just an example lah. You have to first of all change this particular shape dulu. This one, 2 sin x cos x. Have you gone into the part where it says basic identities? Have you gone into that part?
Yes.
Oh, you have gone into that part already. Okay, no wonder lah you nampak graph macam ni ya. So, basic identities says what? 2 sin x cos x is actually sin 2x. You have to first of all change that to become sin 2x. When you want to draw graph, right? You cannot draw graph when you are having two or more trigonometric function. You have to try your best to use your basic identities, or sometimes we call it as the double angles. And also there's another one which is the addition formula. Okay, you have addition formula, you have double angle, you have basic identities. So all these things then you have to combine, and then you have to change it to become one single trigonometric function. Then you can draw the graph. I think you have no problem on drawing this graph. Maybe when you see things like this, then it is a bit more challenging because you have to try and change it to become one single trigonometric function. Okay. Tak apa. This part would be the pain in the ass. Correct. If you say drawing is not. But then to change it, yes. Change it, yes. Macam mana tukar tu? You have to be very, very good at the basic identities. You have to be very, very good in the addition formula. And then you have to be very good in the double angle. Sometimes they have half angle. Have you gone to all this kah, Cristiano? All this dah masuk kah?
Yeah, masuk.
Oh, dah masuk oh. This is the pain in the ass. These four things. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one no doubt lah. Lukis graph saja senang. Tapi kalau nak tukar tu, yes, it's a challenge. But then if you have question, kan Cristiano, if you have question that you want to ask me, I can show you straight away. Okay, if you have a question, you can ask me, no problem, right? But then this one is one of the example that I can show lah. Tapi let me just check on other examples because I'm afraid that I give you a wrong one. Sebab dia tak boleh sebarang-sebarang letak. You cannot just simply put any function there and then change to become your single trigonometric function. They must have a how to say, they must give you a specific one. Okay, they must give you a specific one, right? But anyway, ask lah, Cristiano, if you have any questions straight away you can WhatsApp me, no problem, alright? This part is the one that we are really scared of lah. Jadi untuk yang lain-lain tu yang belum masuk lagi trigonometric function, please be prepared. Please be prepared because that chapter is going to take me around 2-3 months to finish. Not 2-3 months lah, 2 months lah, 1 month plus until 2 months untuk habis. Itu kalau kita jumpa face to face because from my experience, I need the least is 1 month and a half to finish that topic when face to face. So I'm giving you like 2 months lah kalau kita buat secara online, okay? If it's still online, right? I'm not sure Chung Hua habis berapa lama Chung Hua use how long to finish trigonometric function? 1 month, 2 weeks.
2 weeks
2 weeks How can that be? Aduh.
Pecah otak sudah.
Ya lah, kalau 2 weeks, I pun pecah otak. Cikgu pun pecah otak. I don't know how to teach you in 2 weeks. I don't think so lah. Kalau cikgu ajar kan, it will be a longer process lah. Okay, you have to bear with me lah. Kalau cikgu ajar, mungkin dia lama sikit. Because that one is very pain in the ass. Yes?
Dia mesti guna graph online sampai explain graph tersebut.
Ya kah? They just plug in the value in the GeoGebra, is it? GeoGebra kah?
Yeah, they plug in the value. Specific value they want to plug in, and they explain how the graph works, and then how to do the step. The thing is, I confused again the equation one.
Yes, the thing is that I don't like to use the GeoGebra. One thing is you cannot use GeoGebra in exam betul tak? If the student can use GeoGebra in exam, okay lah. I know the GeoGebra, I know that thing. Just that I don't really teach students using GeoGebra lah. So no worries. I will explain to you when it comes to that chapter. Okay? No worries. GeoGebra, that is like a tools lah for you to see how the graph look like. But then it's not a way to to use for all questions. And I understand that. So I make sure that you have to really know how to change it to become the single trigonometric function before you can draw the graph. So that's one thing that I want to share with you lah. But anyway, I will pick some examples. I will make a video and just for you first lah, Cristiano, because you guys dah masuk kan. So I want you to grab on that one first. Okay, Cristiano? I will share with you in this 1 or 2 days. Okay, yeah, I'll pick some example from the textbook. I will share to you, and hopefully you can understand so that you don't get lost lah. So you don't get lost so far away lah. Okay, harap you boleh terima balik. Okay, so the rest of you try out first another 10 more minutes. Okay, do all these questions. They are not that bad. Some questions are quite challenging. Okay, some are not. Some are quite challenging. So we'll discuss it in 8:40. Okay, I go for a drink first. So I'll see you later on. 一，如果你要 renew 的话，因为你是要 upload 去 system 不是？要 upload 去 system 啊，它一定要有一个 image，就是说你可能要拍照或者 photostat 都可以。但是如果真正已经approved 了的话，他要去那个 land and survey 那边 renew 啊，他要带他 original copy 过去。所以 that's why 如果是银行还有 loan 的话，他就会有一点点困难，他要去银行 retrieve 他的那个出来，才可以去那个 land survey 来换那个日期。Okay, so let us just look at the question now, alright? Now, everybody, if you look at the question now, again, I'm going to give you the answers. Okay, if you have no problem with question 1, 2, 3, then we will move on. Okay, how many questions have you done already? Berapa soalan dah buat? Banyak dah? Are you still able to hear me? Or is the line connection is not that good already? 5 only. Okay, never mind. So let us just discuss the first three questions first. All right. So the first one is 12. The answer is 12. Oh, sorry. The answer is 12. Very simple. Okay. Question number 2, you have 720. Question number 3, you have 840. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Is there any problem? If you have any problem, please state the question that you have problem with. Okay. No problem, no problem. Okay, so if no problem, then let us check question number 4 and 5. Okay, check question number 4 and 5. Question number 4, the answer is 1680. 1680. Question number 5, well, this one is big, 3628800. Question number 5B, 725760. Okay, 760. And then the last one is 293040. Okay. Question number 4 and 5. Is that still okay? Or anything you want to ask? Which question you want to ask? Please state there. Question 5 is perm or com? Is perm. Because question says that you have, let me see. A married couple and 8 of their friends buy movie tickets are placed in a row. Okay, placed in a row. So maksudnya kalau placed in a row, most likely kan mereka akan ada tempat duduk. Means that you have a sitting arrangement over there. Okay, so your sitting arrangement, then most likely it will be perm lah. It's perm. Okay. Alright, number 4. Okay, number 4 first. Number 4. Okay, number 4. You are having ping pong balls. 9 ping pong balls can be arranged in a row if 3 ping pong balls are red, 3 ping pong balls are blue, and 3 ping pong balls are black. Okay, now you see how many ping pong balls altogether? You have 9 ping pong balls kan. You ada 3 yang red, you have 3 yang blue. Okay, wait okay, 3 blue, and then you have 3 more is black, right? And then over here you have 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Let me ask you, are they the same? 3 red color, are they of the same thing kah? Benar yang sama tidak? Benar yang sama kan? So it means that it is like red lah. Red, blue, black. I just use KKK lah. Black. Okay, so red, blue, black. So maksudnya dalam case ni kan, we are talking about the repetition punya masalah. Yang ada repetition punya. So that's why you can have 9 factorial divide by 3 factorial. Okay, 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial. That's why you get 1680. Angeline, is that okay?
Okay.
Huh? KKK? What is KKK? Apa KKK? Sorry, I don't understand. KKK to racist. Alright, so
KKK to Ku Klux Klan.
Ayo, I don't understand the game punya term lah. Okay, so let's look at
KKK to sejarah mereka orang yang dekat Western.
Ya kah?
Orang hitam.
Ya kah?
Dari Sulaiman. Selepas slavery diberikan, ada organisasi sebagai KKK. White supremacist yang benci orang, yang benci ras yang lain-lain.
I don't know the war history, man. So sorry about that. Okay. Alright, so yeah, tak apa lah. I'll use CCC lah next time. Okay. Alright, so question number 5. Look at question number 5. 5C only Debbie 5C saja kan? Okay, 5C. Actually kan, 5C is you see because now question says that you have the first one is no condition applied. Okay, no condition applied kan? Kalau no condition applied, you have this number of arrangement, okay? And then the married couple must sit next to each other. You have this number of arrangement. Let me ask you, Debbie, is this two okay with you?
Yes.
Yes, the two is okay kan? Okay, kalau dua-dua tu kamu okay, maksudnya yang C tu sebenarnya you tak ada masalah sebenarnya, just that maybe you don't know how to do it lah. The married couple must sit separately. So maksudnya you ambil yang no condition. Kamu tolak dengan sit sit together. So tolak dengan sit together. Tu je lah. Dia akan dapat jawapan dia. Sit together. So therefore you have 3628800 minus 725760. So that's how you get the answer. Okay nak? Dapat faham kenapa dia tolak ke Debbie? Okay?
Ya, dapat.
Okay, good. Alright, so question number 5 done. No more other question. Daniel, okay Daniel?
Yes, okay for me.
Very good. Okay, now let us look at question number 6 then. Okay, now try out first 6 and 7. Cuba dulu 6 and 7. I give you around 5 minutes. 6 and 7. Kalau boleh sampai 9 lah. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, in 5 minutes. Cuba dulu. Because not that bad actually. 6, 7, 8, 9. This book punya example is okay lah. Just yang tadi lah, yang apa tu, yang dua couple mesti sit in the same car tu, itu ada susah sikit lah. But the rest should be fine, okay? So Amber, question number 6. Perm or com? Perm 真的吗？应该看好来。他要 choose 两个 student 两个 student to represent the society in the public speaking. So 他没有一个固定的工作如果是说我讲我要选两个学生，一个要帮我拉国旗，一个帮我讲怎么讲 speech 这样子就是 perm 但是这个他讲两个都去 public speaking， so 意思说他们的工作都是一样的。So 其实你是没有 permutation 在这边，因为他没有不一样的工作。So 工作是一样的，他不需要 arrange， 不需要讲第一个人一定要去给 speech， 第二个人要给去拉国旗，或者第一个人要去拉国旗，第二个人要去给 speech。So that's why permutation 是不存在在这个题目里面呢。Amber OK 吗
？OK。
OK Sekarang kan developer bagi tahu, dia kata yang bulan 5 dengan bulan 6 punya bulan 5 dengan bulan 6 punya cases kan, mereka semua belum dapat submit, dia cakap. Dan saya tanya mereka itulah, dia kata yalah terpaksa dia tunggu PKP itu update dulu, lepas tu baru mereka boleh pergi ke pejabat housing department tu lah. At the moment kita cuma boleh tunggu sekejap, and yalah semacam saya tengok dalam group tu, you are the last customer sudah. So kita wait sekejap lah, kita tunggu sekejap sis, tunggu sekejap. Okay, so question number 6. Let us check the answer first. Okay, question number 6. Supposedly, you are going to have 5C2 kat sini. You are going to use your combination. So answer is equal to 10. So 5C2, your answer is equal to 10. And then if you look at question number 7, find the number of triangles can be formed from the vertices of an octagon, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, with no condition applied, right? With no condition applied. So what does it mean? It means that, you know what is an octagon kan? Octagon tu ada 8 sisi kan? So let's say if you have an octagon, 1, 2, let me see, can I draw a perfect one? Oh, cannot. My goodness. Okay lah, tak apa lah. Cikgu lukis macam ni. Okay, now let's say, if I have octagon, means that I have 8 points here. Cikgu ada 8 point kat sini. I have 8 points here. Okay. So what happened is that, from these 8 points kan, I want to form a triangle. Okay, it doesn't matter kan, where do I form the triangle, because question says that there is no condition applied, right? So it means that you can pick this one, and this one. Can or not? Can. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can pick the two with this one. Can or not? Can. It doesn't matter. So it means that 8C3. That's it, okay? 8C3, you get 56. And in this case, there's no arrangement that is needed. Because you don't have to say that I must pick the first one is this dot, second dot must be B, third dot must be C. It doesn't matter, okay? So it means that you don't have to have any arrangement over there. So that's why you have 8C3. That's why you get 56, okay? Right. What about question B? Question B says that, let's say, if I have the dots here, easier for you to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's say if the question says that that point A must be the one that is going to be your vertex. Okay, one of the vertices must be your A. Dia mesti jadi bucu punya. A tu confirm. Ini tak ada orang boleh tak pilih dia. Dia mesti dipilih sebagai bucu dia. So it means that the other two must come from the rest. Okay, listen carefully ya. Yang lagi 2 titik tu dia akan datang daripada 7 lagi bucu yang lain. So it means that this one I cannot count anymore. Okay, sebab A tu memang sudah pilihan yang tetap. So therefore I only have 7 choices. So that's why 7C2. So you get 21. Is that okay, guys? Boleh? Can you understand why is it 7C2?